Hello guys, welcome again. So in this video we are going to solve our third problem. We will solve calculated problem, this one. So let's take a look what the problem is. So the problem is Steph has a calculator which has two screens and two buttons. Initially each screen shows the number 0. Pressing the first button increments the number on the first screen by 1 and each click of the first button consumes 1 unit of energy. Pressing the second button increases the number on the second screen by the number which is currently appearing on the first screen. Each click of the second screen consumes B units of energy. Initially, the calculator has N units of energy. Now, Chef wonders what the maximum possible number is that he gets on the second screen of the calculator with the limited energy. So input format is the first line contains an input integer t denoting the number of test cases, and each test case is described using a single line containing two integers n and b, and we have to output just a single integer containing the answer to the test case. So now let's move on to the logic section. So guys, let's assume a number num1 is appearing on the first screen. Uh, so my remaining unit of energy will be n minus num1. So this is my remaining number. Now if the second button is pressed, then it consumes b unit of energy, and then that number which is appearing on the first screen will be added to the second screen. Now the number of times the second button can be pressed is equal to the remaining unit of energy divided by B. So this one, or let's assign it as num2. So my num2 is equal to remaining number of energy divided by B. And if you are adding num1 up to num2 times, then you can also multiply it num1 into num2, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 10 times is equal to 1 into 10. So this is the same logic. So my answer is equal to num1 into num2, and my answer will be maximum if number 1 and number 2 are both close to n by 2, because their sum is n. Okay, so now num1 and num2 must be in integers. Now number 2 will be an integer if and only if remaining number of units of energy is divisible by B, or I should say RAM divided by B, or I say mathematically RAM percent B should be equal to 0. Sorry. So now let's move on to the code section, in which we will see how to implement this logic and how to get 100 points on the Codechef. Hello guys. Now we will look at the code. So first of all, scan T, N and B. So, and this Y is a temporary input. So I have assigned N by 2. So Y is equal to Y minus Y modulo B. So this one I have done because I want to make it divisible by B, so that my num2 will be an integer. So okay, now moving on the next step, assign answer is equal to 0. So while y is less than or equal to n by 2, then answer is equal to maximum of answer and num1. So this one is my num1 into num2. Now increment y is equal to y plus b, because num2 should be a multiple of b. as we already discussed in the theory section. Now again checking my answer is equal to maximum of answer comma num1 and into num2. So this one and this one both are the same. So now finally we have to output the answer. So I am outputting the answer here, and that's all. You have successfully solved the third question on the Codechef. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please like this video so that I can get more motivation to make my next videos. So thank you guys.